Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Auth0 for customer authentication. To begin the registration process with Auth0, navigate to the Auth0 website. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be presented with several sign-up options. Choose the method you prefer, such as email and password, or sign in with a social media account. If you select email and password, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Once you have filled out the form, click on the Sign Up button at the bottom. You might receive a verification email. Check your inbox for the verification email from Auth0. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Auth0 site and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Auth0 dashboard. To create a new application, click on the Applications tab in the left sidebar. From there, select Create Application. Enter a name for your application in the prompt that appears. Choose the type of application you are building, such as a regular web application, single-page application, or API. Click the Create button to finalize the application setup. After creating your application, you will see various settings and configuration options. Make a note of your domain and client ID as you will need these later. Next, navigate to the Settings tab of your application. Configure your application settings, including callback URLs and logout URLs. Make sure to save any changes you make. To enable customer authentication, go to the API section. Click on Create API to set up a new API for your application. Fill in the required fields, including the API identifier and name. Select appropriate permissions for your API. Click Create to add your API. Now, review your application and API settings to ensure everything is in order. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.